Hi guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the XP Pen Deco 1 version 2. Here I'm just showing you what comes inside the box. So inside the box there's the tablet, a tablet cover, all the cords you'll need to get it working on your computer, two little adapters which is pretty neat as it works on Android phones, in case you want to do some like doodling on the go I guess. I'm used to a cintiq, Wacom cintiq, so for a little while I had to get used to using a table tablet again. Setup was pretty easy. I went to the website written on the little info sheet that comes inside the package and found the drivers, installed them. It took maybe 15 minutes, if that. This tablet works pretty well. Its price is $89, and I was sent this one to review, so that's why I'm using it here today. But I've wanted to try it for a while, just to have some sort of alternative in case my cintiq ever breaks or I just need something to use on the go. And I would definitely use this. It's really good, and the little tablet sheet that comes with it to cover the tablet to protect it from scratches and stuff like that, it actually, once you get used to that little extra bit being there, because it's quite thick to protect the tablet, it just feels like nothing's there at all. It actually makes it feel like really comfortable. Um, the tablet itself is super lightweight, and the tablet has side buttons which already have shortcuts on them, but you can customize them really easily once you install the tablet. There's a suite that comes with it and you can customize from there. As someone who's used a cintiq and Wacom tablets exclusively before, I would say this is equal quality, if not better, considering the price is a lot cheaper. So I'll let the drawing play out, and I'll link the final drawing in the description along with where you can find this tablet. If you're looking for a cheaper tablet to break into the digital art world, I'd highly recommend the Deco V2 from XP Pen. Thanks for watching.